Cracking beer garden today. Bit of cloud, bit of sun. It's not too bad. So I've been adding a couple of bits and bobs to this beer garden, and this morning I was just looking out window and I noticed on the street somebody was chucking something away that made me think I could use that in this beer garden as a bit of a decoration. And I'll show you what that is. And this is what I saw. It's an old metal bedhead, but I thought I could use that and make some kind of a decorative backdrop for a plant. And I'll show you one idea that I've thought of that I could use it for. Something like this. I could put one of my planters at the base and grow some plants in it, and maybe let them grow up that backdrop, and I think it might look alright for something that was actually going to be thrown away. We've also been adding a few homemade hanging baskets to this area as well. There's one there. And then we've hung one on this dead tree as well. So I'll have a look round, see what plants we've got kicking around garden. I'll have a think about it, and then we'll come back to that planter, because I do think it would be a nice addition to this beer garden. So I'll see you soon. So I think we'll put a couple of these bars in ground to hold this frame up. Just going to top it up with a bit of decent stuff now. Still got a couple of pea plants left, so might as well put them on this and let them grow all the way around it and across. Definitely need to be planted. We haven't used as homegrown pansies yet, so for a bit of colour we'll get some of those in as well. I've also got this clematis, so let's get that in there as well. Put this dead in centre and all. I'll just tie these plants up, just so they're going in the right direction. Then we'll add a bit of fish blood and bone. Now we'll just gear to quick water. So there we go, all set up. So slowly, bit by bit, this area is now starting to come together and look a bit of something. Not sure what you thought to that when we finished it, but for something that was just about to go into the bin, I think we just made a nice little backdrop for that planter, and also giving the clematis and the peas something to grow up. And then in just a few weeks' time, it's going to be full of really colourful pansies at the front. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see how this planter gets on, as well as other things that we're going to be doing in the beer garden over the next few months, then just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and you enjoy the rest of your afternoon. Take care. Thank you.